This Marx-Bensdorf Realtors property video is presented by David Tester. For the lover of historic homes, late owner did a masterful restoration. The character is preserved. The finishes are extraordinary, including oak floors, redone plaster walls and ceilings, period chandeliers, and architectural details. High-efficiency HVAC system for economical comfort all year long. 4 bedrooms, 3 baths on second floor, plus large center hall and office/sitting alcove. Huge bonus room on third floor. 2-car garage plus greenhouse. Excellent condition and heirs request as is sale. For more information, review the details below or contact David Tester at 901-682-1868.